Sarri, why they call me by this time?
Wetin happen this time?
As I dey now, many things dey my head. My head won't bust as they see me so.
Wait oh. Na because of the ban wey dem give Man City?
No be only am sha.
No worry about that one. I get your back. You know say me na your personal guy now.
Wetin you mean?
You know say that una EPL na wash. Na Serie A fit you. Na here everything dey happen. I don find coach work for you for Napoli.
Why?
You know say I get leg well for Napoli. And two, since I comot there, e dey pain me say dem never get any better coach to come coach them. Na management dem dey manage Gattuso. No be Gattuso dey manage them. The guy no sabi work, cha.
Who tell you say I dey find work?
Oh, see wetin I no dey like. You don dey do guy now. You know say Tante face bright pass your future for that Man City where you there.
You dey craze. Your father left Yash.
See Guardiola, make I table something for you. Today for Man City now, just dey like today for football house arrest for 2 years. Because na only local boys wey dey EPL una go dey play. First of all, you know say you no get anything wey you and your boys go play wey go make una come play for any Uefa tournament. And you know say you no fit even carry the present Champions League trophy because even the Liverpool wey you never still beat this season still dey. Motivation no dey for your boys to play again. In short, they wan even comot. Anywhere where you take look am, even Okija Shrine go tell you say you dey for sinking ship. I no even know how you take win those 2 games after you hear the news.
Na because say my boys get ginger. Our chairman dem talk say dem go fight the thing for court until e tire everybody. Even if na to open FIFA Yash, dem go do am for that case.
Okay, no problem. Enjoy your house arrest. See person why they try comot from fire. Him talk say him blanket go cover am.